right? Wonderful. I love jogging. I love exercising. Oh, hi.
Hi. Ouch! Ow! Ow!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ah!
Oh my god. Why?
My leg. Oh, shit!
Please make a stop.
Oh, shit! Ah!
Where?
This one.
No, I need to take a jog.
For what? For what?
No, please, let me do that, please.
No. I leave her around, I'm just home.
Yes.
No, please stop! Oh! What's that? Why?
Sorry.
Stop! Please stop it. Ouch! It hurts!
I know, but that is the only thing I can do to support you.
Hey! What's a woman? Sorry, babe.
Sorry. Sorry.
It's okay! Stop! Then you stop, please. It's hurting.
Please.
It hurts.
Please slow down.
Just stop. Please.
Cannot be your fault by taking...
No. I leave around. I'm okay. I'm good to go. Please. Can I wear my sister? It hurts. It's just... No, I can't wear it.
You can't wear it?
No. Let me just...
Please give that to me.
Okay. Do you live around or do you... Can I be your fault?
No, my house is just around here. I'm almost home.
Alright, then let me help you out.
Sure.
Hold my waist.
By the way, I'm Henry.
Tasha.
Tasha, what a perfect name. If you don't mind, can I have your ticket?
No.
Just to check up on you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yes. What time can I call you?
Anytime.
Alright.
Sorry.
So sorry. I wish I speed recovery.
Try to hop on this one.
Tomorrow I will not be able to make it up by sending you to school. You need to join the school bus, okay?
Dad, have you forgotten tomorrow's Saturday?
Oh my goodness! I've forgotten you're on your Friday away. Come on, let's go. Hi, Tasha. Good day. Yeah, it's me, Henry. Yes. Of course, yes. The very day I took your number, I have been so tired, that is why I have not gotten the opportunity to call you. But I felt it's in need for me to call you. And it's very important to check up on you. I hope your Nanke came very well. Praise be to God. Thank you, beautiful. I don't know, do you have some appointments within the course of the week? I just want to see you. Alright, fine, no problem. Then I'll be expecting your call. Thank you, and take care. Bye for now. Oh my God.
I won't give up on us. No matter what may come, I will be here.
Tasha? Good to see you again.
Same here.
Wow. And how are you?
Well, I can't complain. Ow.
Oh my goodness. Let me help you out.
Oh, sure. Ah.
Very sorry. Very sorry. And how do you do?
How do you do, Mr. Henry?
Very sorry for the other day.
It was meant to happen.
And how are you feeling now?
Well, I can't complain, but I'm still having some pains inside.
Oh my goodness. Can I hold it?
Yeah, sure.
So sorry.
Oh. Ouch.
My goodness.
No, don't. It hurts.
Very sorry.
Yeah. It's okay, please. Henry, don't go too far. I'm having pains inside. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it hurts.
If you don't mind, can I visit you every blessed day to massage it for you?
Oh, no, I'm okay. I went to the drugstore to get some medication for it.
Was it drugstore pharmacy?
Anyway, how you say it goes. To get some medicine, so I'm okay.
I see.
Oh, who do we have here? Who is she?
That's my daughter. I was with her the other day that you got injured.
Oh, yes. Hi, pretty. Hi. What's the name?
Blessing.
Oh, nice meeting you.
I'm sorry for what happened on that day.
Oh, thank you so much.
You know, like daughter, like father.
Oh, I can see that. Okay, Mr. Henry, so can I drop you?
Oh, never mind. We are still joking and then we are not done yet.
Please, I insist.
Oh, come on, never mind. We are okay.
Are you sure? The name again?
Blessing.
Blessing. Okay, sure, okay. So I'll catch you guys up later, okay?
It's rather unfortunate. I'm no longer with the mother.
Dead?
No, divorce.
Oh, okay, I understand. Then I have to hit the road.
Of course, yes.
Okay.
Please take care of yourself, okay?
Take care, darling.
I don't know. Sorry, can I help you to sit?
Yeah, sure.
If you don't mind. I don't know whose side, here or there. I'm sorry.
Ow! Ow!
Oh my goodness.
The pain.
So sorry.
Okay.
Tasha, I got my eyes on you. Take
Bye.
care. Let's go. I hope you're enjoying the meal, right?
Yes.
Great.
Are you? It's nice.
When I asked for the dinner, I thought you were going to reject it. But I'm really grateful for coming. You've really made my night perfect, a great and a hilarious one.
You're welcome.
And when I go to bed, I'll be able to sleep very well.
You sure? Thank him for me. He has been checking on me, making sure I take my medicine and apply my cream on it. Thank you.
Why do you have to say that? It is my young demon's duty to see to it that I check up on you to verify whether you've taken your medicine or not. And probably if you have treated your luck, if not, you got to do that. So you need not to thank me.
Henry, I don't think you should object to what my friend is saying. You know, we are very grateful. You know, they say first appearance counts. When I met you the first day, I knew you were a good person, and for sure. And sincerely speaking, you didn't shame me. My friend and I are very grateful for everything you've been doing. I see some myself. So, yeah.
You've made me speechless. Thank you so much.
It's okay now. Enjoy the food.
I'll be very glad if you don't change.
I like the fish.
And I'm not gonna do that.
Okay.
It's nice. I like it. It's so dry. My favorite.
What I see is true, like a dove by the river, so calm and beautiful. It's like a dream when you come my way. It's too good to be true. I realize you are.
And
Thank you.
oh my goodness. Cheers. Cheers to the success of our good relationship and friendship as well. You are welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you.
What? You call this what?
Humble abode, of course.
This is a palace.
Wow. Then if you call this a palace, then I live here alone with my princess, who happens to be Blessing.
Nice place.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I love the colors.
Thanks very much.
And the collage also.
Oh my God, I brought it from the States.
Speaking of Blessing, where is she?
I just dropped her. She's going to school.
Oh, forgot. My bad.
Never mind. I don't know. I least expected you guys to be here because when you told me you were going to pay me a visit, I thought you wouldn't be able to make it up. But hey, you made it. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Actually, we're around the neighborhood and we decided to step by to say hi.
That is great.
Yeah.
I hope and pray that our relationship should be a very big one.
Let's see how it goes.
Wonderful. What are your plans for today, after here?
Off to work.
Whoa. I wanted us to go out and have fun, if you don't mind.
Nah, next time. Let's see.
I'm not going to take much of your time, at least. We need to come around the city.
Sure, and I'll do.
Actually,
So,
I'm a very busy person and I need to meet a client. I do with products. Think.
just some hours. You can go back to your work after we are done with the rounds. We need to step out, at least. Come around the city. I will say 1 or 2 things. Buy 1 or 2 stuffs.
Okay, okay, like Tasha said, and I'll do.
So where do you have in mind?
Where? Madagascar?
Would that place be okay for you?
Sure.
Okay,
Do you
cool
have
with
something
that.
in mind?
No, I'm cool with that.
Okay, so Alaska.
Oh my God. Let me help you out. How was your day?
School was great.
Wonderful. There is a parcel for you. There is a gift for you as well.
Wow. Thank you.
Bless you need not to thank me. You need to go and thank Auntie Tasha. She said I should give it to you.
Wow. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Okay? Are we good to go?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Boya, this is not fair. This is not what you told me. No, so why are you changing it? I gave you the money because I needed my goods. No, you are not being fair to me, seriously. So when? Next week. Are you serious?
don't want them again. Yeah, you can hold on. You can just hold on. Keep the money. Keep it.
No, what they say? A bad workman always blames his tools. It's about time you stop working with this guy. He keeps disappointing you, but you still go in for him. I wonder why.
Yeah, you are right. I have to. God, now what am I going to tell Spendy?
Yo, relax. Just tell me something.
Okay, I have to come up with something and tell her.
That reminds me about Harry.
What about him?
He's nice, yeah?
Sure.
And good.
Yeah, he's fun to be with.
Tell me, how do you see him?
Ask him. He's a nice person. What?
Girl, stop beating about the bush. You're talking to me. I know you like him.
Tilly. Tilly.
See, every time I look into your eyes, what I see is true. Like a dove by the river, so calm and beautiful. It's like a dream when you come my way. It's too good to be true. I realize you are all I need. If you ever need someone to hold your hands always, I'll be right when you come. I promise. I promise. This I promise you. And I promise. This I promise. See, every time I look into your eyes, you paint a picture in my heart, like the statue of liberty, so tall and beautiful. I cannot ever ask for more than this. All the time that you gave, all your love and your body, you're so amazing. If you ever need someone to hold your hands always, I'll be right here when you come. I promise. And I promise. This I promise you. And I promise. This I promise you. I know you don't ask for too much. All you need is someone who cares, someone who will love you for who you are. And I'm ready to be in and always. I want to be the reason you wear that beautiful smile always. If you ever need someone to hold your hands always, I'll be right here when you call. I promise. If you ever need someone to hold your hands always, I'll be right here when you call. I promise. I promise. This I promise you. And I promise. This I promise you. I promise. This I promise you.
I'm coming.
do we have here?
Let's do my assignments.
Oh, where is Daddy?
He went outside to buy some food because we came home late and he could not prepare food.
Oh, sorry. So you've not eaten?
Yeah.
Blessing. Where is your mother?
My mother is in the States.
So you guys are staying here alone?
Yeah. We leave her alone.
Okay. Continue.
It's a long story. Tasha, it's a long story. I don't know where to start and when to end it up. I was in love when I saw Sandra. Life wasn't easy for us. But we're still squeezing water out of rocks. Along the line, I had opportunity to travel to the States. I got to realize that I can't go leaving her behind. I helped her to get her passport. Then she had the opportunity to get a visa. A young man in love, I realized traveling with my wife was the best solution. We got to the States and we started life over there. Along the line, she was pregnant when we got to the States. She started working. I also started working. I was at work one day when I had a call, only to hear that my wife has delivered a bouncy baby girl. I was happy, jumping here and there, because I've gotten what I wanted. Within 20-30 minutes thereabout, I had a call again, only to hear that my mother has passed away. I couldn't control myself. I was so sad, crying here and there. But I got to realize that it was the will of our Creator. So I had to manage and squeeze myself. There is a saying that man proposes, God disposes. Along the line, I got to realize that Sandra's attitude has totally changed. Not knowing she was flirting with her co-worker. One day, I closed from work and I was on my way home, only to see Sandra and that white man in a restaurant. When she got home and I asked her about it, she started with so many words, insulting words that I can't even use on her. I said, okay, all is well. Not knowing she told that white man she doesn't have a baby. She has rejected her baby all in the name of that white man. She never knew I was preparing towards our papers and green card as well. She thought friending that white man will make her achieve her aims and goals by getting her papers. I got to realize that whatever I was doing from then were totally awkward, strange. Not knowing how long the line, my heart was broken. A friend, a colleague who happened to be a Ghanaian over there took blessing and then...
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. No, please.
Tasha,
it's okay.
I was only in love. Oh. I was in love. Is it a crime to love?
Henry, it's okay, please. Stop.
I realized I needed to come back to Ghana. So I came with blessing. When I started life afresh in Ghana, I had no option than to go with her to my workplace. Whenever a diaper gets wet, I need to change it. Life has never been easy for me and my daughter Blessing.
You know what? It's okay, please. I can't hear.
God is my witness.
Say no more, please. I beg, say no more. Where is she? Where's Blessing?
She's upstairs.
Okay, I'll just join her.
I want another day with you, 'cause you are enough, 1,000 times enough. You are the everything I was meant to. Believe I was just asking too much. You are my sun, moon, and all of my stars. I see forever in your eyes. You are the everything
I didn't notice you coming. How long have you been standing here?
For a while. Yeah. I was only observing what you were doing. By the way, thank you so much for your kind gestures.
You're most welcome.
It's my pleasure. Oh my goodness, I can feel and sense a very good and a perfect aroma. What are we taking today?
Jollof rice.
What?
Fish.
And then?
Egg.
Oh my goodness. Tasha, thank you.
Oh, come on, it.
Very caring and very supportive and a very hard
I'm almost done. Hey, let me check on my rice.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
What's in it?
You are the everything I was meant to. Believe I was just asking too much. You are my son.
my goodness.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
Looking good.
How are you?
And thank you for the gift, the other gift.
Oh, you most welcome, my love.
That's my girl.
But you see me the car.
I hear you.
Oh.
Thank you so much for making it.
You're welcome.
I was contemplating you may not be able to make it up.
Why not? I'm here.
That is good of you. Tasha, something has been bothering me for so long and I don't know how to go with it.
Then let's go sit somewhere and talk about
No, come on. I believe this is the perfect place to speak.
Are you sure?
Of course, yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Tasha, you know me, Henry, I'm a responsible man. Taking care of my daughter Blessing wouldn't be a problem at all.
Oh, come on, wait, Henry. That's why you called me. You could have said this on the phone. It's just like a sister. We are families. Oh,
come on. Tasha, you don't get it. I mean, I love you, Tasha. I love you so much I can't control myself. I want to spend the rest of my life with you, Tasha.
Henry, I see you as a brother. I don't feel anything for you. There is no sensational feeling when I see you around. I can't love you. I can't.
You can't be my sister and I can't be your brother. We are from different families. You should admit it, that I love you and nothing can change my attitude, neither my mind. I can't control myself. Just read my lips. I'm begging of you. I love you.
You know what? I can't stand here and listen to this. I'll call you. Please.
You are walking out of me.
Please, I'll call you.
I won't give up on us. No matter what may come, I will be here. I won't give up on us. No matter what may come, I will be here. With you, oh my friend, there's nothing we cannot do.